Unraveling the meaning of whiplash. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, whiplash. This term is not just about physical injuries, it's used in various contexts. Let's explore together what whiplash means and how you can use it in everyday English. Whiplash refers to a type of neck injury. It's caused by a sudden, forceful back and forth movement of the neck, similar to the cracking of a whip. This is often associated with car accidents but can occur in other situations too. The key aspects here are the suddenness and force of the movement. Subsection 2.1. Emotional or situational whiplash. In a metaphorical sense, whiplash can describe an experience where someone goes through a rapid series of emotional or situational changes. For example, if a person experiences a sudden shift from happiness to sadness, they might say they're experiencing emotional whiplash. Subsection 2.2. Whiplash in movies or literature. Whiplash is also used to describe the feeling viewers get when a movie or book shifts unexpectedly from one scene or mood to another, especially if these changes happen rapidly and without much transition. This usage highlights the disorientation or surprise one feels due to abrupt changes. Let's put whiplash into practice with some examples. 1. Literal use: she suffered from whiplash after the sudden stop of the bus. 2. Emotional whiplash: the news of his sudden promotion followed by immediate dismissal gave him emotional whiplash. 3. In media: the novel's quick shift from comedy to tragedy gave me narrative whiplash. That's all about whiplash. Remember, while it originally describes a physical injury, its metaphorical uses are just as important in English. It can describe rapid emotional changes or the jarring shifts in stories or situations. Hope this helps you understand and use whiplash in your daily English conversations and readings. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.